មុននឹងយើងមើលលឹង1000ហើយឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមទៅមើលកន្លែងទឹកផុស7000ម្ដង
Yes yes
នេះផ្លូវឡើងទៅមើលកន្លែងទឹកផុស7000ហ្នឹងបន្ទាប់ពីយើងមើលលឹង1000រួចហើយហើយចូលនេះអត់ក្តៅអត់អីទាំងអស់ហើយផ្លូវដើរចូលទៅស្រួលដូចយើងដើរចូលទៅតាមភូមិដែរមានរង comfortable
Yes yes
and then they have to keep water inside and then give it to the field also and then you have to much water and keep inside.
The water comes up very high, right?
Yeah.
So it brings all the sand and the clay and the mud from the river comes here.
Yeah.
And then the water goes down, so it's very yeah.
បាទ
So we have a bit of
មកចូលដល់ក្នុងនេះវាមានអាសនៈមួយទៀតវាថាយើងមកលេងនៅក្នុងប្រហែលទីចេះយើងសុំក្តីសុខអីចឹងណា
area. So yeah, we definitely feel ready of walking over the trees and whatnot.
នេះកន្លែងទឹកផុស7000ណា
It's such a big source of water.
Basically, we have to depend on sunflower water. We have to buy a cement cooler.
Okay.
But right now we don't have too much of this. Sunflower.
Is it hot water or?
No, hot. Sugar water.
So
To enhance with the sandstone also. Sand also.
okay. So because it does like this.
Yeah.
It's because it's not from the heat. It's just from the water coming up from the ground.
Yeah.
So
Coming up on the ground and then we get to the sand also and then we. So.
So do you guys put sand here to show it? No, it just naturally comes.
Original.
Okay, so it naturally you get all those water spiders on top. It's kind of cool, but very clean water, right, from the mountain.
Very clean.
So yeah, it's a natural spring, and it comes up and it pours off here, and then it joins up into the river. But bet you if I had a life straw, I probably want to drink that to see how it is.
Mình have bao miền là chơi ấy luôn xa đó.
It holds some
Tập nó
significance.
nó tập như vậy.
Makes kind of sense right back in the day.
Smell all.
So is this very old, like hundreds of years old?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe they had this place and it was special, so they built many things around,
I
right?
don't know because sometimes so many million.
Oh yeah,
Million,
yeah. But I mean, I'm saying like the Khmer people when they came, they said, "Oh look, this place, water comes from the ground. It's special."
Yes.
So then they have religious things around because they think it's a special place, right?
We have so many places but already got to find in the forest.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I kind of was talking about that when we were at Angkor Wat. That there's so many places that have been discovered now. Even since the last time I was here, they've discovered more things. But how many places have not been discovered? And Mr. Sen was just saying that there's so many other places in the jungle that will have some sort of significance, and it's still those places haven't been discovered yet either. But yeah, this is cool. The last time I was here, we never came, so it's like a dance of sand in the water.
ចឹងវាផុសមកអាដីសាច់ហ្នឹងវាផុសឡើងដែរប៉ុន្តែវាអត់កកឡើងដល់លើ
សាច់បាត់កក
ហ្នឹង
យកដូចដីតទៅមកកន្លែងហ្នឹង
But kids come here late at night and jump in the water.
ទៅយក
That's what I would have done when I was small.
យកទឹកកន្លែងហ្នឹងយកទៅផលិតទឹកផលិតហ្នឹងល្អប៉ុណ្ណានេះមិនទៅទឹកខ្លាឡើងដូចកញ្ចក់
Not that I would do
មិន
this.
បាច់ទៅនេះអី
But
ទឹកអូវឡែន
this is pretty cool.
ដើម្បីសាមខ្លាអូវឡែននេះអញ្ចឹងក្នុងភូមិយកឡើង
You recommend